Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to win Gary's mod. So first you're gonna wanna go to this room here. You don't want to turn on your flashlight because that makes it not work. You're gonna want to go in here and find the corner in the right. When you stop moving, you know you're there. You then want to click until you find the button. It's hard. I'll fast forward. Okay guys, as you might hear, there's the spooky noise now. Never mind, it's gone. It does that sometimes. What you're gonna want to do is turn around, don't turn on your flashlight, and here we are. We're almost. You want to stand in the middle. You hear the noise. Try to center yourself and look up. Now you wait for 30 seconds. Yeah, what do you need? What? I'm making a tutorial. No, go away. Yeah, no, go away. I stopped counting. I might have messed it up. I think we're almost there anyways. You should, I'll just, I'll just try again if I mess up. Oh, okay guys, we're getting there. This is the TF2 part. So, I think, the like, just gotta give it a second. Just gotta, oh yeah, when you see it change a little, that means it worked. So we're so sometimes this happens and you go to the wrong map. Okay. Yeah, if you go to the just do what I do. Oop, I messed it up. Alright guys, you see it work because, respawn. The big way to tell that you're on the right one is the bridge. You see, yeah. So we want to go up there, but I'm gonna fast forward now. What the fuck? No. is the right map. Okay, oh, yeah, I think this might be the right one. Oh yeah, I see the bridge. That's the bridge. I think we wait, and that it look far away, like on. It'll grab us. Just gotta wait. This part is a little hard. It's okay if you don't get it first time. There's a link in the description to what you do if it go to this part boring is where's my water? I might have done the wrong where is it? So, in case you wonder, I do this because, the game glitches when you do it. And it, my friend could tell you more. There. Okay, let's go. Uh-oh. This is bad. This is what, if this happened,